morning, students. Sai Ram. Welcome back once again. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your places. Children, today we are going to do some sitting posture. Before that, sit in any comfortable pose in Ardha Padmasana, simple cross-leg position in which you are comfortable for the long time. Keep your both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Your back should be straight, your head should be erect. Close your eyes. Start 3 round Om chant. One round Gayatri Mantra. Rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye, on your face. So children, today we are going to do some sitting posture. First we are going to do Kati Chakrasana. So sit in first Dantasana. Straight your both legs in front of your body. Straight your both legs in front of the body, palm by the side. Dynamic spinal twist help you to remove stiffness of the back and increase flexibility of spine. Now, let's start. Now separate the leg as far as your comfort. Now, inhale, raise your arms up at shoulder level. Now, twist towards the right. Place your left palm on the right big toe and your right hand stretch back. Look back. Twist your upper body towards the right. Now, inhale, come in center. Exhale, twist towards the left and place your right palm on the left big toe. Your left arm stretch back straight, forming one line. Twist completely towards the left. Now inhale, dynamic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold here. Now inhale and exhale. Release your position. Bring your both legs together. Now inhale and exhale. Relax here for the few seconds. Next we are going to do Vakrasana. Now bend the right leg and place the right foot beside the left knee. Inhale, raise your arms up at shoulder level. Exhale, twist towards the right. Place your right palm back and bring the left arm around the right knee and catch the right ankle. Look back over the right shoulder. Just remain in this posture for 10 to 30 seconds with the normal breath and relax here. Hold this position with the normal breathe. Now inhale, come in center. Exhale, release your position. Now from the opposite side, from the left side, now bend your left leg. Place the left foot beside the right knee. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, twist towards the left. Place your left palm back and bring the right arm around the left knee and catch the left ankle. Just remain in this posture for 10 to 30 seconds with the normal breathe. Look back over the left shoulder and hold this position with the normal breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale slowly. Come in center. Exhale, release your position, straight your leg and relax here for the few seconds. Deep inhale and exhale. Now next we are going to do Gomukh Asana. It is an excellent asana for relaxation. It will help you to relieve tiredness, tension and anxiety, and also back pain, sciatica and general stiffness in shoulder and back, and improve posture by increasing energy, awareness and generally opening the chest area. So let's start Gomukh Asana. First, sit in Dandasana. Straight your both legs in front of the body. Bend your knee, slide your left foot under the right to the outside of the right hip. Then cross your right leg over the left, the right knee on the top of the left and right foot outside the left hip. Both the knee should be parallel in a line. Now from here, stretch the right arms up above the head, then fold it over the right shoulder back and take your left hand also back. Interlock both the hands finger. The spine should be erect and head back. Close your eyes. Just stay in this posture for the few seconds. Just normal inhalation and exhalation. Now slowly exhale. Release your posture. Bring your hand down. Straight your both legs in front of the body. This is the one round we have done from one side. Now from the other side, again bend your knee, slide your right foot under the left to the outside of the left hip, then cross your left leg over the right and the left knee on the top of the right, the right foot outside the right hip. Now straight your left hand up, take it back, your right hand also back. Interlock both the hands finger. Close your eyes. Just stay in this posture for the few seconds. Just normal your breathe. Deep inhale and exhale for a few seconds. Now slowly exhale. Release your hand position first. Then straight your both legs in Dandasana. Relax here for the few seconds. Deep inhale and exhale. Next we are going to do Ardha Uttanasana. So first sit in Vajrasana. Move the knees apart and the ankle to the side of the buttock. Inhale, stand on your knee. Make gap between both the thigh and knee. Now inhale, raise your right hand up, take it back over your right foot, or you can catch your ankle. Now raise your left arm up, The head should be slightly back with gazing at the raised hand. Push your pelvic forward in the final position and hold here for the few seconds. Just normally you breathe here, deep inhale and exhale in this posture. Now exhale, bring your right hand down. Now from left side, inhale, take your left hand back over the left foot or you can catch the ankle. Now raise your right hand up. Your head should be slightly back with gazing at the left hand. Push your pelvic forward in the final position. Hold here for the few seconds. Now exhale, bring your hands down. Sit in Vajrasana. Just deep inhale and exhale here for the few seconds and relax here in Vajrasana. Today we are going to do Shitli Pranayam. Shitli means cool. This pranayam gives you a coolness effect and help you to maintain your body temperature. So sit in any comfortable pose in which you are comfortable for the long time. Keep your back straight, head erect. Now remove your tongue out. Fold it from side and make a pipe-like structure. Now you have to inhale from this through the tongue. After inhalation, take your tongue in, close your mouth and exhale through the nostril. So this is a one round. We will do 5 rounds more. Again, remove your tongue out. Fold it from side. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale through the tongue. After inhalation, take your tongue in and exhale through the nostril. Again, make a pipe-like structure. Inhale through it. Take your tongue in and exhale through the nostril. Again, inhale through the tongue. Exhale through the nostril. Keep your back straight. Now again, remove your tongue out. Inhale through the tongue and exhale from the nostril. Again, make a pipe-like structure. Inhale through the tongue and exhale from the nostril. One round more. Again, remove your tongue out. Fold it from this side. Inhale. Take your tongue in. Close your mouth and exhale from both your nostril. Now deep inhale and exhale through the nostril. Relax here. Just normally you breathe. Take your awareness towards your breath. Now rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye, on your face. Now gently open your eyes.